What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, I just picked something up, just came in the mail for me today. So I wanted to do an unboxing review on that for you guys. As an entrepreneur, having business cards in your pocket is not a fun thing to, have in there during an event or just on your day-to-day basis. It's very uncomfortable, and I've already done a review on another product from this particular company. I will leave a link for that right up here. But no, I got something new, something cool, something exciting for me, so I have one less thing to carry on me. So we'll do a review for it right after this short intro. Okay, so I just picked this thing up, just came in the mail. It is the Linq Apple iWatch band. Alright, so like I said at the beginning, it's kind of a pain to carry a whole stack of business cards on you for an event. Now, this particular company I like a lot because they have a few different options for you, and that would be a card. They have little sticker dots so you can put in the back of your phone, and now the Apple Watch band. So, and these items hold all of your social media links and your website links and stuff all in one place. So what you do is tap the device up to somebody's phone and boom, instant connection to all of your links. Super fast, super easy, no more stack of business cards. So let's get right into this unboxing. Here it is. Now on the front it says Linq band for Apple Watch, NFC embedded, 40 millimeters, the better way to network. And they are right, it is the better way to network. Let's see. So we got comes with a small / medium band and a large / extra large band. Okay, this particular product is compatible with a 40 millimeter Apple Watch Series 4 and later. Okay. Use of device requires Linq account registration, acceptance of Linq terms and services, acknowledgement in Linq's private policy. Okay, so you can download the app on the App Store or Google Play Store. Okay, on the back it's got a picture. It says all your content, one place. Right there. Sorry that this is a pretty close-up video. Normally I have them a little bit further back, but the way that it's set up, I have it right in front of my bathroom, so I can't really move it anywhere. Okay, let's open it up and see what's inside. Alright, so when you open it up, get the box there. It says Linq band for Apple Watch. Now you open it up. It's got activation instructions. And it says 40 millimeter there. And then you open this thing up. Bam, just like that. Very cool design, cool packaging, very high quality. As you can see, the band has the Linq logo. I don't know if you can see it, but it's got the Linq logo on there. Then it has the two separate bands. Two different lengths, and that is it. That is the product. No stickers involved. Okay, now I have the Series 2 Apple Watch. I haven't got an update, so I'm gonna go ahead and try these products with the Series 2, even though it says get a Series 4 or later, and see if it works or not. Alright, so here's my Apple Watch right here. Series 2. I have the Nike black and gray band on it. Love it. And that's how it looks. Now, it looks awesome. The quality feels great. It feels like it's an Apple product itself. No complaints there. It feels awesome on your wrist. So now I'm going to test it out with the app. Alright, so let me see you at the top. It says activate. Alright, I also forgot to mention they also do bracelets, wristbands. So you can get one of those, you can get the card, you can get the little dots that go on the back of your phone, and now the Apple Watch band. Now when you get your product in the mail, all you have to do, take it out of the box, download the app, hit activate product, then hold your product up to the phone to scan it and activate the chip that's inside your product. After that, you set up all your links and you're ready to go. Now, if you guys are interested in some of these products, I will try to find a link and leave a link down in the description like I normally do below. If I don't find a link for it, I will leave a link to the actual website down below for you. Now, this is a product that I highly recommend, alright? This is so much easier than carrying around that card or sticking something on the back of your phone, especially if you have a case and you don't want it to be on the back of your case because it doesn't look, slick like just the regular phone case does. So this is a very, very easy way to carry less and not have those business cards in your pocket making you uncomfortable. And now your Apple Watch carries your digital business card. If this is content you guys want to see more of, let me know down in the comments below. Hit a like on this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.
Listen.